Today we are in Osaka to visit one more tower from the 20 All Japan Tower Association. It's located in Tennoji area. Let's take a look at Google Maps. The tower today is Tsutenkaku Tower. This district is called Shinsekai. New World is known for lots of colorful, retro signboards and outdoors. In fact, this is the second Tsutenkaku Tower. The first one, built in 1912, was destroyed by fire in 1943. Only in 1954 the neighborhood association set up an office to construct the new Tsutenkaku Tower. The current one was completed in 1956. The height is 108 meters, with 5 floors upper and 1 underground. Open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., with last entry at 7:30 p.m. Reproduction of the original Tsutenkaku ceiling painting. The queue is already outside the tower. You can even experience something like bungee jump, but it's not so afraid. This is the entrance of the tower, is underground. Here you can buy the tickets, do shopping at store and go up to observatory by elevator. The ticket's price is 1,000 yen for observatory deck and 1,300 yen for special outdoor observatory. The queue is long, let's just be patient. The first Tsutenkaku Tower. Still another queue before ride the elevator. Gashapon Arcade. Souvenir coin. Finally, the elevator. Nice view of Osaka. It's not so high comparing other towers. Ichinomiya Station. Umeda Sky Building. This is the Billiken, the god of happiness. popular American charm doll that came to Japan in about 1910. It was missed from the first Tsutenkaku and they decided to place it in the new tower like good lucky symbol. Visitors place a coin in his donation box and rub the soles of his feet to make their wishes come true. Shopping district. Tennoji-zu. Abeno Haruka's, the second tallest building in Japan. Let's go to special outdoor observatory deck. It's a protruding observation deck. If you are courageous, you can take even a photo there. Let's see from the high. It's a bit tight go around here. But the view of Osaka here, it's amazing. Decibels level. Going down to 4th floor. It's called Light Observatory because at night is transformed at disco. Also many packages of umebo, small cylindrical puff Japanese corn snack. Pocky is coated biscuit sticks, another famous Japanese snack. You can take a photo like Billiken. Souvenir store in the 1st floor. Tsutenkaku Tower, it's one of the oldest towers in Japan. Let us know in the comments if you have been here. Thank you for always watching.